o'clock's at 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock? No, I mean, yeah. So I'll skip the artist and all that.
Yeah, yeah. Glass area is looking kind of brim. He said the glass area is looking fucking dead.
Straight up. So then do we start at the cocaine?
Yeah. And the fact that they never play Eric Clapton there is just a damn shame. All right. Now.
Drinkcocaine.com is what it says.
Where?
Right there. Drinkcocaine.com.
All right. Well, there's the website. There's the product. Next booth.
Yeah. You got it.
Yeah. There's nowhere to. Oh, pardon me. And then that way we can just all right.
You have a website? Yeah, we do. Rightinnovations.com. Rightinnovations.com. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
This is
And what is it?
this is the first true 3-in-1 luxury vaporizer. So inside this device, you can actually swap the adapters, the bases, to where it will automatically change the temperature profile software. You can hold up to 0.33 grams of herbs inside of this adapter, 0.10 of concentrate, and you can have up to a 2-gram 510 thread cartridge fit inside the device. The entire top half assembly is machine wash, washable on the top rack of the dishwasher. It's got pass-through charging, so that even if you are charging the device, you can continue to use it. And it uses a basic 18650 battery. So if you're trying to hot swap the product, you can charge multiple at a time, pop it in there, and you can do 6 8-minute sessions with herbs back to back, and you can do way more than that with concentrate or 510 thread. And this is just the start of this system. Mixturis is actually designed to perfectly blend with the art ecosystem. So whenever you plug Mixturis into the ecosystem,
sounds weird.
You would drink a plum Fanta?
Probably would, but I just said it sounds weird.
Well as portable.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You scan?
What up, what up? You got a website?
I do. It's Sean, S-E-A-N, Dietrich, spelled Diet Rich, art.com. If you want to grab some stickers down there, it's got all that info on the back.
Fans are dope.
Huh?
Fans?
Thank you. Yeah.
Red Rocks is large, kind of like.
Yeah, the red box.
And I've been to Red Rocks right there.
We're thinking of doing
Hold on.
If it's dense, you might get 2 pounds. What's up, guys?
What up, what
What
up?
up?
You got a website?
Yeah,
Over to 85,000. Appreciate you. Thank you, man.
Hey there.
How you doing? You have a website? You have a website? Nectar Collective. Allergies, Nectar Collective.
still waking up and still getting here, you know?
What's up, brother? How you doing? Great.
We do. And they got some like bear caps. You'll see it when we wrap around.
we tried to play their stores.
There's bear. Yeah.
Oh, you're thinking like.
Tickets $1,000. Tickets already fine.
Right there, see? Yeah.
What do you think about it? You got a website? What's the website? How you doing? Pretty good. You got a website?
Just to let you know, we're going to have HamiltonDevices.com.
What was it? HamiltonDevices.com? Thank you.
Next to that,
we do this? What is this? Oh, merchant services? Okay, I'll be home.
All right, thank you.
That's when they're like a band, One Direction.
Yeah, here we go.
Almost. You got a website? Yeah. What's the website? Hempwellness.us. What is it? Hempwellness.us. What makes yourself the best?
I was like, sometimes people's got nobody in them. All right. What up? How are you?
You got a website?
Website?
Yeah, a website.
Randy's.com.
Randy's.com. That's
Very easy.
Right on. Thank you. You guys? Yeah. Sure.
Fucking
We're
A?
celebrating 50 years next year with these.
Oh, word?
Yeah.
50 years.
There you go.
And these are the ones with
Appreciate
the
it. Thank
wire?
Wire rolling through it, so it makes it easier to roll itself, and then it's got a built-in joint. Yep.
Wow. Appreciate you, man. Thank you.
Take care, guys. Good show.
Thank you.
50 years of Randy's. What's this?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Take it the Stone Age.
yeah.
I'm from the Stone Age.
You know Stone Age?
Yeah.
Stone Age in Austin.
What is that?
Yeah.
Do you,
Kanna.
oh, Waxman.
Yeah.
Do you have a
That's Stone
website?
Age. We love Stone Age.
Do you have a website?
Yeah.
What?
Website?
Yes, I have. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Right here? Yeah. Awesome. Well, what is the website? Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
This one, fruit flavor, tastes like nicotine vape, but infused THCA. Then you can go high. Yeah, see, nobody know you. Just wait.
It's dangerous.
It's on that caveman shit.
Yeah. Love it.
Thank you.
Peruvian handcuffs. My hands like
You know, good thing we got that bread stuff earlier. That baba ganoush or whatever that fuck that's.
Samosa.
Samosa. We need some more of that samosa, you know? Not some mimosa, samosa. Yeah, no, that stuff was delicious. What up?
Do you have a website? Website?
Shall it? Two more rows, I think we're doing pretty damn good. You know?
Yeah, we're moving. We're about halfway done.
The second level isn't nearly as deep as the other one though. Hi there, how are you?
Get in there?
Sure. It's the same difference. Advanced Cranium Alkaloids. Is there some sort of like scale that they use to measure kratom or something? So I'll turn this off.